Now our next topic is sequence impedance and network for transformer. Okay, so we all know transformer is a static device, right? Transformer is a static device, and there is a leakage reactance in your transformer. Okay, there is a leakage reactance in your transformer. So with the alternation of phase sequence, your leakage reactance will not change. Okay, your leakage reactance will remain same. Okay, so therefore the transformer positive sequence impedance and negative sequence impedance is nothing but equal to leakage reactance. Okay, it is equal to leakage reactance. What about the zero sequence impedance? Here, zero sequence impedance will be greater than your positive sequence impedance or negative sequence impedance. So, how to find this zero sequence impedance for the transformer? Now, here, zero sequence impedance depend upon depend upon connection of primary and secondary winding. Connection of primary and secondary winding. Okay, like how you have connected this winding either in star or delta. Okay, so these connection actually configure your zero sequence network. Okay, so your zero sequence network of the transformer depend upon connection what you have provided here. Okay, either star or delta. Now, how to draw this zero sequence diagram? How to represent this? So to represent this, we use switch diagram. We use switch diagram. So what is this switch diagram? See, this is your primary side and this is your secondary side. This is a shunt switch which is connected in primary side, and this is shunt switch which is connected to secondary side. Okay, now this is switch 1, this is switch 2, this is switch 3, and this is switch 4. Okay, so this is your primary side and this is your secondary side. Now in this diagram, S1 and S2, S1 and S2, these two switch called series switch. Okay, and S1 and S3 called primary switch. Okay, Similarly, S2 or alright, S3 and S4. Okay, S3 and S4. These two switch is called shunt switch. And S2 and S4. These two switch is called secondary switch. Okay. Now, when transformer winding is connected, in star, if winding is connected in star with neutral is grounded, then switch 1 and switch 2 will be closed. Switch 2 will be closed. Okay, it means which switch is operated here? Series switch. Series switch. Sorry, I did some mistake here. There will be some impedance, okay, between these two. Okay. Now, if winding is connected in delta form, then switch S3 and S4 will be closed. It means which switch is going to operate? Shunt switch. Shunt switch. Okay, so this is how we draw impedance circuit for transformer.